We help stock the ISD store, all things Independence, with student-made projects, cutting boards. We're now starting to make a lot of pens and tops and kaleidoscopes and things like that we're going to introduce to the store here pretty soon.
It's a lot more than just pushing wood through a table saw.
Whenever you finally finish a piece that you were working on, it's kind of cool to see how it all came together at the end.
I didn't think I was going to get a huge kick out of it, but now that I have been in it for so long, I'm like, wow, this is so fun. I want to go into construction when I'm older.
My freshman year, and we made these tote boxes. It's this beautiful toolbox with my name and my year on it, and it's in my senior photos, so it's my favorite thing.
I think the most exciting part is watching students that have almost zero confidence. And before you know it, these students are making cutting boards and they're making all sorts of really cool things that no way did they even realize that they could do that.